Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today I am with this full body packet, Jolly's full body packet, which I am going to eat for the first time. I have never tasted full body in my life. Come on, let's unbox this and eat one full body. चलो खोलो. चलो डैडी खोल दे. ठीक है. इधर चलो. चलो देखो फुल बॉडी सीम्स टू बी क्रिस्पी. चलो एक ले लो अदिति और खा के देखो. કેવું જા સારું જા. That's all about this unboxing session. Thank you for watching. ટીકું લાગ્યો? Sorry. Okay.